Hello, this is Stephen Schultz again, KC3NBR from the Ham Radio Boot Camp. In my last session, we introduced a little bit of what ham radio is and amateur radio. In this session, we're going to jump and talk about the digital radios and digital area radio networks. So moving to slide 17, we'll start here. I'm only going to talk about one of the systems. There's a variety of systems from P25, which is government, police, digital radios, to DMR, All-Star. I'm going to talk about Yaesu's WireX Fusion system. System Fusion is a digital communications methodology for data communications using C4FM FDMA frequency division multiple access. We'll talk about what that means in a little bit. So there's some history. This occurred over many years as the internet developed and as technology developed. It went from wires to wires 2 to now wires X. What's involved in it is both some software that runs on a PC and a special box that does some audio conversion. So your radio, if you buy a Yaesu radio, can run both analog and digital. You end up pressing a button, the X button, to connect to the digital wires X system, and we'll talk about what that system is made up of. So there's a couple of other modes in how you operate. You can connect to a repeater, or you can connect your radio directly to a laptop. This slide is just to show you that there's repeaters all over the United States. There's a couple of modes that you can operate a radio in, both HRI and PDN, and I'll come back to those. So this block diagram shows you the basic components of a wires X system. You have an antenna, you have a radio, power supply, you have the HRI 200, which interfaces between the radio and the PC, and then the PC is connected to the internet. So you're really going from RF radio through the internet and then out the other side back to RF again. And this is what takes a relatively low-cost radio, 2-meter band radio, and allows you to communicate worldwide. I've communicated across the world: Japan, Europe, Korea, Asia. Again, relatively low cost. An HF system, you're going to spend lots more money on the radio and the antenna system. Another slide that sort of communicates the different components. Again, mobile, repeater, internet. So the other concept, again, with the Wires X network, is the room concept. So anybody who operates a repeater, operates Wires X, can create a room, and the rooms are public, although you can provide some privacy enhancements if you like. One of the most popular rooms is America's Link. There's usually at any given time about 100 people in that room from throughout the world. Okay, so that was our brief introduction to Wires X. And in another segment, I'll actually do a demo of the radio. Thank you.